Do you know that most of the desktop applications grab the user's attention using notifications? If there is anything new in the desktop application, they send this information through notification. If you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. So in this video, we are going to see how to send notifications using Python. Without any further delay, let's have fun with code. We are going to need two modules. So let's say pip install win10 toast and win10 toast click. I've already installed the module, so it says requirement already set. First thing we are going to do is create a simple notification, and then we are going to add some functionality to the notification. Like when you click the notification, something should happen. So first let's import module. Now we have created a variable called notification, and then notification dot show toast. The first thing will be the title of the notification. Let's say let's say the title of a notification is new video has arrived, and then we are going to have the body of the notification. So let's say this is our body, and then we are going to give the duration. Let's say the duration will be 20 seconds, and then if you want to give an icon, you can even do that. Icon path equal to, and then just pass the file location, and note the extension of this file should be .ico. So if you pass images of other formats, this won't work. And then the last one would be threaded is equal to true. Now let's try running this program. Now we have a notification which says new video has arrived. Check out new video from Fun with Code, and we have icon. Now if you click this notification, nothing happens. The notification just disappears, right? Let's see how to make this function. All we need to make this notification function is just a small thing. You change this from win10 toast to win10 toast underscore click, and then callback on click should be equal to, and we need to pass a function here. Let's say open channel. Now we need to define this, so let's say def define open channel. Now here I want to open my channel, so we also need to import web browser. Import import web browser, and I'm going to open my channel. So let's try, or we can just say web browser dot open, and here we are going to pass the URL of my channel. So I'm going to copy my channel link, and if you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here, and now let's try running this program. Now this happened before I clicked the notification. Actually, we need to remove this parenthesis, and then if you run the program, now when you click the notification, you can see my channel on your default browser. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.